Evening, everybody. Yes, I know I said that I was going to restrict putting videos on to Wednesdays and Sundays, but I got in from work tonight and there were 4 packages waiting. So if I waited until Wednesday, at the rate things are going, if any more come, I would probably be sat here all night on Wednesday and probably all day on Sunday as well, if deliveries carry on like that. So I'm going to do a couple of them tonight and save the rest for later in the week. So this is the first one that I'm doing, and you can probably guess from the logo that it's the latest Birchbox. Let's get it open, see what we've got inside. Apologies if the light keeps fluctuating on this. I've just noticed it sort of fading in and out a little bit, but it is evening here and we've got the big light on. Right, so opening the box, this is what I'm greeted with. Okay, let's get it out, without dropping everything everywhere. One box for the bin. So, self-love is the best kind of love. We want to see your October Birchbox. This month, share an Instagram photo of your October Birchbox with the hashtag BirchboxPinkUK, and for each photo shared, we'll donate £1 to breast cancer support. It's worth doing it just for that, isn't it? October being Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So, ladies, if you're watching, make sure that you check and keep checking. Anyway, onwards. So we've got this bag with self-love is the best kind of love on it. Some nice, quite strong handles. Yeah, going over the shoulder, that's not bad. As to how strong it will be with more stuff than just the Birchbox contents in, I don't know. But let's show you what's inside. So yes, the first thing is the bag. This month we're excited to be transforming your October Birchbox into a stylish tote bag, decorated with a very important reminder that self-love is the best kind of love. What's more, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and throughout the month we'll be sharing ways you can join us in championing early detection and supporting those undergoing cancer treatment. And with everything that's going on this year as well, that kind of becomes a little bit more pertinent, because quite a lot of people don't seem to be getting the care that they need, with COVID restrictions in hospitals and doctors' surgeries and things. I know at the moment our local doctor's surgery is still on telephone appointments, and I think you have to be basically on death's doorstep before anybody will see you face to face. So yeah, it's not an easy time at all. Anyway, onwards, First item we've got is by Kiss and Smink. And this is the Everything in Santorini. This is the full size version, so it's not your normal sample size. You can just about see that, can't you? And the recommended retail price is £15. So it says, say goodbye to fiddly makeup brushes and hello to effortless creamy colour. This multi-purpose cream stick can be used on cheeks, lips, lids, well, anywhere really. Best applied with fingers. Pat this warm, fiery shade onto lips and cheeks for a no-fuss, flushed from within glow that flatters all complexions. And did you know smink and makeup in... Oh, smink is makeup in Swedish. Let's kiss and make up. Right, let's have a look, shall we? If I can... oh, there we go. There's a little peely on the side. So it looks like that little label could be some instructions. Let's see if I can... oh, come on, light, stop messing about. See if I can... oh, it's going to take forever to do that. I'll try it later on off camera. So, there we go. And as I said, this colour is called Santorini. That's good. It doesn't have a strong, overwhelming smell. There's just some cosmetic products, nasty smells. Yeah. Anyway, let's have a look, shall we? See what it's like on the old lippies. That's not too bad. That's what the colour looks like in the tube. So it's not like a bright red in your face red. It's just nice enough. So that's item number 1. Second up, we've got a Balance Me Beauty Sleep Hyaluronic Mist. Try saying that with a mouthful of spaghetti. Make sure I get the right one, eh? This little fella. Great skin starts with a great night's sleep. This mist, which is packed with hyaluronic acid, chamomile, lavender and CBD oil, works to hydrate, plump and smooth your neck and chest and lull you into a peaceful, uninterrupted slumber. Wow, 1 gram of hyaluronic acid can hold up to 6 litres of water. It's moisture boosting magic. Let's have a look. That's it's got quite a nice smell. I can't say that I can actually smell lavender in it, but when it dies down a little bit, that might become a little bit more obvious. What would probably be really good if they had it in here, as well as the hyaluronic acid, would probably be some plant collagen, just to help with the plumping and smoothing effect. It's not too bad. A little bit sticky feeling, but you know, overall it's not too bad. Anyway, so that's the sample size. For the full size, you're talking 20 quid. I suppose I'll see how well it helps me sleep. I probably won't be getting the full size though. So next up, we've got Estee Lauder Multi-Action Foam Cleanser and Purifying Mask in this little titchy. Perfectly clean. Multi-Action Foam Cleanser stroke Purifying Mask. Is your skin clogged with impurities, dry and just generally congested? Turn to this multi-action cleanser to deeply cleanse and nourish. The creamy formula rapidly lathers into a rich foaming cleanser, gently removing makeup and other impurities whilst never leaving your skin dry or tight. The result? Comfortable, healthy, soft skin. That's right, this cleanser doubles as a 3-minute purifying mask. I'm not going to put it on now as a face mask because I'm going to be having my tea soon, but let's have a look, shall we? I can at least see what it smells like. It's just got a like squeezing a spot. It's just got a slight soapy smell. There's nothing jumping out fragrance wise, which is nice, you know, because with some stuff that you buy for putting on your face, it absolutely stinks of things. Yeah, that's nice. A light fragrance, not nasty at all. Very nice. Next one we've got is Chlorine Nourishing Conditioner with Mango Butter. Don't subject your dry strands to things like sulfates, parabens and silicons, which will only make the situation worse. Instead, grab a bottle of this mango-infused conditioner that nourishes and repairs hair from its innermost shaft out. You'll love the way it moisturises, detangles and improves softness and shine, not to mention its luscious fruity scent. It's true. Chlorine's hair care solutions use pure plant extracts. No wonder it's the #1 hair care brand in European pharmacies. Oh, just for the record, the Estee Lauder foam cleanser and purifying mask recommended retail price is £24. Recommended retail price for the Chlorine is £10, and that isn't the full size one, so you know, plenty of bang for your buck depending on how big the full size one is. The next thing that we've got is the last thing that's in this little bag. Anatomicals, the Shower of Love Bergamot Cream Body Cleanser. Okay. This Birchbox exclusive Bergamot Cream Body Cleanser soothes and cares for your skin while lifting away dirt and impurities. Suitable for sensitive skin, the foaming cream formula leaves skin feeling clean and soft. Perfect for your morning shower ritual. P.S. The back of the packaging has a very special description, especially for Birchbox subscribers. Let's have a look, shall we? So, the Shower of Love. Feel free to embrace your inner Celine while belting out a chorus or two. Empowers everyone washing with it to take control of their health by checking their bodies for lumps, bumps and growths that might not feel right. Friends and family, unfortunate enough to have to listen to you singing, might just want to invest in a set of our earplugs. Anatomicals, we only want you for your body. Directions for use: step into a warm shower or bath, lather onto skin with hands or a shower sponge before rinsing. So yeah, show you what the back looks like. Let's have a sniff, shall we? Oop. Oh, that's nice. You can smell the bergamot in it. It isn't overpowering. It's nice, yes. So it's a Birchbox exclusive, as this said, and the recommended retail price is £2. So, you know, out of everything that we've got here, this is the cheapest. So yeah, sort of thing that I may well buy. Because that size is handy for taking away with you when we eventually get to travel anywhere again, away from home, whenever that might be. But yeah, so that is the October Birchbox. I'm going to have a go at doing a photo for Instagram later on. and send it in, so that at least they do the donation. Enjoy 10% off full-size products in this month's box as one of your Birchbox benefits. Plus, once you've received 6 boxes, you'll get 15% VIP discount. Spread the Birchbox love. Give your friends 30% off this subscription, and you'll get £10 to spend at the Birchbox shop. So yeah, if anybody watching this fancies a subscription to Birchbox, just leave me a note in the comments and I will refer you with my referral code, and you too can get Birchbox winging its way to you every month. Most of the time it's good. Most of the time it's really good. Through Birchbox I've been able to try a lot more cosmetics and toiletries that I might not have otherwise bothered with. So, you know, it's worth trying just for that. Sometimes there's stuff that I think, you know, why have they put this in? Kind of as though they've not used my details to tailor products as well as they might have otherwise done. But that doesn't happen very often, and you get a lot of nice stuff. And they do have things like gift packs that are just for subscribers, and special offers throughout the year, and that. I think the next big one coming up is the Advent calendar, which I have got on order. So I'm going to be able to do a video of that when it comes as well. I think that's due in November, so that it's here ready for December. Anyway, I've waffled on long enough about this month's Birchbox, so I'm going to clear off and carry on making tea. So as I say, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have. You know, if you have, give me a nice thumbs up. If you haven't and you feel so, give me a thumbs down if you weren't right keen on it. If you want to see more of the videos that I put out, give me a like. Click the subscribe button that's somewhere down there ish. So yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Look after yourselves and look after each other, and watch that weather because it's starting to turn cold. See you later. Bye bye.